Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. So last week we came in and we started rust repair on that front brace, which is pretty much what we're going to be starting again on today. Going to cut more of it out and replace more rust. So we also have gotten our new front nose panel in, and that's going to get cut out at some point and replaced. That's outside. We have to get it in here, get it prepped, and get it in where it needs to go. But first, we have to finish that panel. But we also have, in good news, is that we have closed in on 2,500 subscribers. At the recording this right now, we're at 2,490. So we are only 10 subscribers away. So if you are new here, please do consider smashing that subscribe button. Make sure over here, too, you hit that like button. But right now, we're going to hop over to that front brace, start cutting out some ugly metal, and putting in some new ones. right, so we have gotten this panel almost where it needs to be. Obviously, I have to cut out this in here and start building this and continue all the way down this panel. Now, this is really time consuming. This panel right here has taken probably about 3 hours just to get it to this point. I don't know, I think I skipped it in the recording, but I went through and put a gouge in here, smacked this where it needs to go. So I need to weld this in and just finish a little bit more touch-up welds as well as in here. Yes, my welds aren't the greatest, but this is getting to where it needs to be. I'm getting really excited with this panel. So down till here, I need to cut this out and make a panel for here. That shouldn't be too tough. That'll be a couple quick welds. In here was a crack. I was able to weld it back together. And as we come down, it gets a little worse. So like right here, I don't think I can weld this together. So I'm definitely going to have to make a big patch panel there and continue down the panel. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to finish welding this panel up, and then we're going to move over there. I'm going to start cutting that out and getting the other thing prepared. Not that it'll go in, because that can't go in until this is already set. So we're going to continue getting everything situated, get this panel where it needs to go, finish up my welding and grinding over here, and start cutting out that panel. we have gotten a lot done today. So we have patched one whole panel. That did take quite a long time. And it came out really, really nice looking. We also have gotten the whole front panel off. We still have a lot of stuff that we have to chip off, which we'll probably save for next video. So we do have a lot of work left to do on this truck to get this hood ready to go. So there's still a lot of rust repair up there. Also, at some point, I have to run and get a new bottle because my bottle is completely dead, or it's empty rather. So I need to go grab one of those, but that'll probably be during this week. If not, we're just going to continue working on metal work on the truck. We have some dents and dings that we need to get out, and we have a lot of work to do. But today we have unfortunately run out of time. So as I've said before, we are closing in on that 2,500 subscriber mark. We're getting really, really, really close to getting it. We are super excited for that. We are so pumped that everybody here has subscribed and everyone is a viewer, and we appreciate every view that comes to this channel, every subscriber that comes to the channel, and we appreciate you again, and we'll see you next Saturday. So again, that's a wrap for today's video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like the videos, and make sure you share with your friends so we can get to 5,000 subscribers. Then the next is 10, and maybe even 100,000. Maybe not this year, maybe next year, but we're going to keep on trucking. We'll see you guys next week when we're back here on Saturday.